All right, so let's talk about a histogram. So on the paper that they asked you to do here, they said to do a histogram for this data that they gave you on the previous page. So here they said create 2 histograms using your stem and leaf graphs from page 5. So I did the stem and leaf here for your city miles per gallon. And you've got 0, 3, 0, 6. So there was one at 3, one at 6, then there was one at 17, one at 18, another one at 17, another one at 4, and so forth. So there's my stem and leaf. And it's easy to do a histogram once you've got a stem and leaf, because what you're going to do now is you're just going to take your graph. And a histogram looks very much like a bar graph. The main difference is a bar graph will have spaces in between. So like a bar graph might look like this, for instance, but a histogram, there will never be any spaces in between here. So if I'm going to make my histogram, right, on this bottom here is where I'm going to have my ranges. So I might go, since this is like from 0 to, whoops, you can't see that, 0 to 9, this is like represents 10, this represents 20, 30, 40, 50. So my first range, I'll go 0 to 9. And then my second range, I'll go 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, and I'll just go 50 plus, I guess. So if I look, and this here is going to be the city miles per gallon. That's what my x-axis is, and my y-axis here will be like number of cars. How many get that amount of mileage? So 0 to 9, well, if I go up here, I can see that I have 2 vehicles that are 0 to 9. So if I make this 1, 2, 3, 4, I probably need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I probably need to go up to 10, so I might run out of room here, but I think you'll get the idea. We'll go by 2s. So this will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so forth. So I have 2 cars here that are 0 to 9. I have 4 cars that are between 10 and 20. So now I have 4 cars. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I have 11. So we're going to go up a little bit past 10, and that'll be 11. I don't have any 30. I don't have any 40, but I have 4 at 50. And then that is your histogram. So let me know if you have any questions.